taking a look at the overall market, we're going to be looking at the S&P 500, which does a pretty good representation of the US market. Now you can see this channel here formed since 2008, 2009. Here's the housing crash, the housing crisis. And you can see these two support lines where it came down, bounced off support, came down, bounced off support as well. And even throughout the whole entire time up until now, used it and bounced as support. Now we have this upward trend resistance line right here that ever since 2010 had issues passing. Right here, 2011 went up to it, got knocked down, went up to it, got knocked down. From 2013 to 2015, just kept on trying to go up, getting knocked down, getting knocked down. Pullbacks, little small pullbacks nonetheless, throughout the whole entire time. Now the reason why I mention that is because we're at the peak right now, and I'm essentially expecting a little bit, for the most part, the same. But there's a Federal Reserve meeting which we could essentially possibly see a little bit of pullback. But before I continue though, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional. Everything I do share with you is just my opinion, it is not advice. So please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. Now if we look at August 27th, Fed meetings, the schedule, the calendar, they're having the economic outlook meeting at 10 a.m. I believe this is Eastern time if I'm not mistaken. And we'll be talking about a little bit about tapering as well, or we'll be talking about tapering. So because of that, I feel like almost hypothetically anything they say, there will be a small pullback nonetheless. So essentially anywhere between 1 to 2% or possibly 3 to 5%. I'm not expecting anything more than 5% to be honest. It'll probably be most likely about 4% to be honest, but I'm saying honest too much, but somewhere between 3 to 5%. I'm not expecting a full correction where it's 10% or anything. So just expecting that, and just to let you know that we're pretty much at the peak for the most part. So it doesn't mean that we're not going to be moving up, because you can see from 2013 to 2015, the overall market was still moving up to the upside. It's just it was getting stuck underneath this upward trend resistance line. That's all. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you find it helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like. It does help out the channel, so thank you so much for that. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you like videos like this, or other financial videos, other stock videos, consider dropping a like. Consider subscribing, because it does help out the channel as well. So thanks so much for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.